Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Baytown, TX, Garth Road. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. This pet-friendly hotel offers free Wi-Fi access in all rooms. Laundry facilities is on site for guest convenience. Houston Raceway Park is 15 minutes drive away. A flat-screen cable TV is available in all guest rooms at the Motel 6-Baytown West, Garth Road. Coffee-making facilities are included. Lynchburg Ferry is 10 minutes drive from the Motel 6-Baytown West, Garth Road. San Jacinto Battlegrounds are less than 40 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.